Hi there, I'm Heather Gill, local realtor with eXp Realty here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And I've got on today Jenna Zebrowski. She is the principal attorney and the owner of Law by Jay-Z. Hey, Jenna, thanks for joining me.
Hi, Heather. Good to see you again.
Absolutely. I love it when we talk. You always have just such great information for me.
You always have good questions to ask.
That's awesome. So this question came through texaselder.care. And the question for you today is this. I have a will, and it's tucked away safe in my safe deposit box. Is that okay?
What I would say, short answer is no, it's not.
Okay.
Why? Yes, it's always very surprising. So here's the deal. Your will, especially when you write it, is usually considered a very personal document. Just because it's personal doesn't mean it's private. You should have that will in a place someone can get to it. If you have it in your safe deposit box, only the people that are listed on that safe deposit box are going to have access to it. I don't care if you tell me there is a will in the safe deposit box and I'm on it and you should look at it and pretty please, the bank won't take on the liability to do that. There is a way, it's not too late. If you pass and someone knows that it's in the safe deposit box, you can get an order to go in and look at the contents of the safe deposit box, verify the will is there, and go through a process to get access to the will and probate it and do all the things you need to do. It takes time, it takes paperwork, and it's expensive. I believe the filing fee is roughly around $300, and that doesn't even account for the attorney time or anything else. So this can be avoided. You don't have to necessarily make copies of it and distribute it to your 25 nearest and dearest. But what you should do is have the original. For some peace of mind and security, you can get a fireproof or fire-resistant box or bag. You can get them online for probably under $15.
Okay.
Take your document, tuck it in there, and then put it in a safe place in your home. It could be in the back of your closet. It could be in that special chest at the foot of the bed. It could be in your desk. And tell somebody where it is, and not just your spouse. Tell at least 2 other people, preferably the people named in the will. Hey, if something happens to me, in the left-hand side of my desk or in the purple velvet bag is my will. Go check it out. They're not going to go to your house and go dig through it the next day. Nobody ever does that, but you don't want to have someone who eventually can't find a will. They go through this whole administrative process in the courts, and then 5 years later, they're finally clearing out your desk and they find the purple velvet bag in your will because it's too late. They've already had it taken care of. Don't do that. Don't put stickers on the bottom of your stuff with people's names on it. That's not a will. What you should do, again, is have that original document, put it in a fire-resistant bag or pouch or something, put it in a safe place in your home, just where you would put jewelry or your mad money or anything else, and tell a couple people where it is, so in 30, 40, 50 years or whenever they need it, they'll know where to find it and they can follow the directions in there. Don't put it in your safe deposit box.
Jenna, that's great information, and absolutely do not put that in a safe deposit box because it will be safe from everybody, including the people that need it the most when you pass, which is not a good idea. But for any and all like end-of-life planning, wills and trust, and getting this kind of thing sorted out, you can reach out to Jenna. She'll help you get that going and make sure it's right. And of course, she'll give you some great advice on how to take care of it so people can find it when the time comes. Now, you can reach out to her using the email there, or you can go book an appointment on her website, lawbyjz.com. There's a place where you can just schedule, and she'll do that as a complimentary appointment for you.
Absolutely. And in front of Heather's is a friend of mine.
Hey, you heard it from here. Awesome, Jenna. Appreciate your time.
Thanks so much for having me.